What's up, people? It's your girl Alyssa coming to you with another video. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. And today, as you can tell by the title, we will be talking about my favorite Amazon purchases, my everyday essentials, things that I use so much from Amazon that we can all, I think, use. So if you're interested in seeing my top favorites from Amazon, please keep on watching. First thing I'm going to start out with, one of my favorites from Amazon is my toothbrush. So this is Aquasonic. Please know that everything will be down in the description box. All of the links are affiliate links, so I do get a small percentage if you do click and purchase. So if you want to support, go ahead and do that. I just want to call that out, girl. These links is affiliate, period. Okay, so the toothbrush is my favorite. This one is called Aquasonic, so it's probably like a generic version of like one of them fancy ones. But I love it because it has 3 levels. And this detaches, of course. When you purchase the toothbrush, it comes with like 5 of replacement heads and the charger, as well as the travel case. The travel case is clutch because you could just take it apart and you put it in there and you can just put it in your little travel notions bag. I really appreciate that. Yes. Yeah, I really do love this toothbrush though. And they also have one that if it's you and your husband, or you and your boyfriend, or you and whoever you live with, your girlfriend, it's one that they have that's double, and it's a black one and a white one, and they both come with like 5 replacement heads, you know, then the body, of course, and it's a charger, and it's connected. So that's one that you can get too if you want to just grab something for you and your spouse. It's about $45, very cheap. And the single ones, I think, is like 20. I'll link them all below. But I've been using this for a while. I love it. I love that it travels very easy. And y'all, I went to Chicago, I think for 12 days. And the thing lasted the entire 12 days. The battery. Like, I've never ran out of battery in this thing. Now, I put it on the charger when I remember, but this thing stays charged up. You hear me? So definitely will recommend this. And let me just get a little closer so you can see the Aquasonic. So that's my first favorite that I clearly use every single day. Another favorite from Amazon are these underwear, you guys. So it's, in my opinion, it's kind of hard to just find a nice, simple cotton underwear. Girl, you get on Victoria's Secret. Victoria's Secret quality has gone all the way down. I still, you know, go there because it's really like one of the few lingerie, underwear, panty shop that you can go to. But the quality has gone down, girl. You get about 3-4 wears out of them, and they just like flimsy dingy. So these are 100%, girl, they 100% cotton. They might be like, they 95% cotton, 5% spandex, okay? And then the crotch is 100% cotton. So I like how, at first when I got it, I'm like, why they make this gray? But you know, ladies, they, you know why they did that. So I thought that was pretty cute. These are just some nice regular drawers, girl. They're not trying to be sexy. They're just trying to serve you up an everyday essential. I really like these. The only thing that I kind of don't like about them is the lining here is really thick. Depending on, like, it's perfect to wear these with jeans or something like a thicker material. Don't bust out in nothing real thin because your panty line is going to pop out with these on. But other than that, these are my favorite. These are a size small. I really like them. The pack came with 6, I think, for like $20 or so. I'll link it below. And they do have different styles. This was the style that I purchased because I just wanted some regular underwear, you know, like, comment down below if you feel like it's kind of hard to find just regular underwear. I don't like the microfiber because I feel like it makes me sweat. I like to just have cotton underwear usually, unless I'm trying to be like sexy, but you know, girl, we don't need too many sexy pair of drawers. You throw them same ones on, he ain't looking. Girl, he don't care. He don't really care 100%. It's cute and all, but listen, we don't have to keep buying those. But whatever you prefer, definitely, you know, go ahead and do that. I'm just saying. Definitely love these and would definitely recommend them. The link will be below. Next essential, you guys, is my sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil and my black castor oil. I get all of my oils from Amazon. I have a lot of oils. If you guys are not new to my channel, then you know that I make a facial oil that I used to use a lot. I don't really use it that much anymore, but I still do have it. I get all of my oils from Amazon. But the sweet almond oil and the black castor, this one is empty actually. I got another one in the room, but these are my main 2 ones that I get from Amazon. Like, I had to repurchase a lot. The other ones is like apricot kernel oil. I have marula oil. Those I don't use as much, so I don't have to replenish them as much. Sweet almond oil I use on my hair and my body. This is a great oil for you to mix with your lotion. If you are one of those people who do that, I do that. Take a squirt of lotion and then some oil, because I just be liking to be glistened down, okay? It's great for the hair. I did just put some in my braids. And the black castor oil, I only use this on my hair. It's perfect for right now when you have braids because it's heavy. So you don't want to use it when you like, you know, wearing a wrap or something, or your hair is blow dried and curl. It ain't really for that. But the black castor oil is one of my favorites. I also use it as a pre-poo, which I'll do one day when I take my braids out. I'll show you guys how I create my own pre-poo conditioner, like, you know, pre-poo treatment. But yes, black castor oil as well as sweet almond oil. I'll have these linked below. These are my favorites. I always get them from Amazon because you can just find them easily there. Another everyday essential for your girl, oh my goodness, my Yeti. My Yeti, as you can see, my lipstick is on here because I use this every single day. I love my Yeti. Now, what's funny is Yeti used to be one of my clients, not my clients, but one of our clients at the agency that I worked at. And that's how I got introduced to the brand. And I ended up buying my mom a Yeti, and she was so obsessed. She's still obsessed with her cup. She was like, my cup, my cup. So I ended up getting me one because the pandemic hit and we had to stay at home, and I needed to make sure I was getting enough water. Drinking water at home, I was struggling because I used to be at work, 9 to 5 all day. I'm like, let me make sure I'm getting my water intake. They have the filtered water, you know, just taking advantage of that. But since we've been at home, I'm like, I'm not getting enough water. I can't keep buying the water bottles and throwing the water bottles away. You know, that's a waste. I feel like water bottles is usually like for on the go. I mean, of course, drink them at home. I have some at home too. I have some. But I wanted to switch it up and make sure I was getting enough water. So this one, I think it's 24 ounces. But anyway, Yeti is a fantastic brand. They have a lot of different colors in this. And girl, it stay cold all day long. All day, overnight. I put my water in here and my ice, and it just actually this water is from last night, I ain't even gonna lie. And it still got the ice in there and everything because I just keep filling it up and keep trying to get my water intake. So if you are struggling at home, you know, because we've been in the house usually, well, most of us, I would recommend getting you a cup that's big enough, and you wanna have a goal a day, like drink 3 of these a day, and you can kind of tally it up. So I'll link this one below. It's my favorite Yeti. They have coolers and a whole bunch of other stuff. The coolers, girl, the cooler's expensive. But the cups, this one is like $25, I believe. So definitely recommend it. Okay, the next everyday essential that I love from Amazon is this little nail kit, y'all. This nail kit, it has a cuticle clipper too. I don't know where it's at right now. But you guys know I used to do my own nails. Sometimes I do, but I found another nail lady here, and I've been taking a break from doing my own nails. But when I do, of course you gotta do, you like a little manicure. And it comes with the pusher, the scraper, a little file, the cuticle clipper that's missing, and then the clip. Just a nice little kit to have. All of these aren't just good to have. I'm really big on preparation. I have so much stuff because I like to be prepared for anything, any scenario. You need your nails done, girl, I got you, okay? You need your nails clipped, I got you. That's just how I am. I feel like that's how my mom is. She got everything in the house, so that's why I'm that way. But this is an essential, and it's always cheaper on Amazon. You go to, girl, this is gonna be $30 at Target. $30, they're gonna be doing too much. This was probably like $5. I'll link it below for sure, but definitely recommend that. And since we're on the subject of nails, my LED light, bomb. I can show you what it looks like. It's so simple, so easy, you just plug it in and go. And I've also started to do no chip manicures on my toes. Girl, they last like a month and a half. The polish don't chip and it still be shining. And I think it's very essential if you live in a warm climate. As you guys may know or may not know if you're new to my channel, hey girl, I just recently moved to Texas and it's pretty much hot all the time. So your toes need to be done all the time. No chip manicures on the toes. This light is perfect because you just put your foot under there. It's not a whole compartment with the bottom piece, you know what I mean? So it's easy to just put it on top of your foot. And it was like $20. Definitely would recommend. What's next, girl? What's next? Oh, and then Amazon is the destination for no chip polish. Because if you go into the beauty supply or like a Sally's, one little no chip polish or gel polish is gonna be like $15, $20. Sometimes 10 if they on sale. You know, like, oh yeah, regular nail polish is like $10. Expensive. Girl, I got this whole thing here for like $15. It came with 6 colors, 6 pretty colors. and it's a nice brand as well. So definitely would recommend checking out this brand. It's a high shine. The brush is really nice. It's not hard to paint, and it doesn't peel off. Come on, Raise now. So I would recommend this brand, as well as just checking out Amazon for gel polishes in general. So if you want to try doing your own gel manicure, your own no chip on your toes, these two things, it's probably like what, $40 for the two, maybe even $35. That's probably as much as a pedicure, and you can do it yourself multiple times. 6 different colors. Okay. Oh girl, another essential. These shorts. I shouldn't have bought the white because it's bright. But these little shorts, they have pockets on the side. It's a nice stretchy, thick material. They're high-waisted. I actually have a pair on now. Let me just show you. So the material is so thick. I really love how they fit. I have a white, a green, and a black pair. And I purchased these because of quarantine, and we've been stuck in the house and it's hot outside. So I wanted to give me some nice little shorts. They have leggings and everything in this brand. It's called like Dragonfly or something like that. I definitely will have them linked below. But yeah, these are worth it. I've washed them. They haven't shrunk. They still nice and thick, and they're not see-through. So that's a big one for me, because I don't want to be having no see-through leggings and stuff. I don't like that. Another essential, is this my last essential? I think. Another one is for the ladies, or really for whoever. My little vibrators. Amazon got them all, girl. They got them all on there. This is a nice little small one, and this one is waterproof, so that's really good, and it like bends. It has a lot of different levels that you can, you know, speed it up, slow it down, remix it, you know, so that's really cute. This one was like $10, and I feel like it's travel friendly, and I feel like it's not too big if you wanted to use it with your partner. I feel like it won't be intimidating, you know what I mean? Versus this one is very big. This is like the massager, you know, that regular one that everybody pretty much has. The really big one, it has different levels. You can change the rhythm and speed it up, slow it down. So this one is really nice. I would recommend this one. And it has a little baggie, so you can keep it in, girl, keep it nice and clean and all of that. So I would recommend both of these, to be honest. But if you're gonna get one, I would recommend this one. Oh, girl. This is my last one. This right here, you guys, is my hair steamer. This right here is my favorite thing ever. This is the machine. You put the water in here, and you can either put the top on here for the hair or this one on here for the face, okay? And then you can like steam and sit there and enjoy yourself and have your face steam. You can also put essential oils in this if you wanted to like have it spray out some like eucalyptus smell. Really would recommend this. So here's my take on this. Y'all know I'm very self-sufficient, period. You go to the hair salon and you want to get a treatment. I think it's good to go to the hair salon and get pampered sometimes, for sure. But I was steaming my hair every time I washed my hair because I had the color, and the color didn't do that good. The bleach, girl, you know, the bleach, you have your hair falling on the floor. So I wanted to keep my hair in my head, and the steamer really helps with that. And if you went every week or every 2 weeks to get a steam treatment, people be wanting to add like an extra $40, $30 just for you to sit under the steamer. Girl, you can go buy yourself a steamer from Amazon, and it's a facial steamer if you wanted to go off and have a pamper day at home and do it yourself, period. And honestly, all of this, a lot of the products that these hair salons or hairstylists use, it's on Amazon. If it's something in particular that they use. And if not, I use my Maya Organics by Masu mint deep conditioner, and I sit under the steamer for about, really till the water goes out. It's like about 20-25 minutes, and my hair be so full of moisture, the curls pop, and it's just so healthy for the hair. So that's one of the main things that I recommend as well from Amazon. Really, all of these, like I said, these are my essentials. I use all of this stuff all the time. I do have an honorable mention. My sister has an Apple Watch, and I know a lot of you guys have Apple Watches. I don't have one, but a lot of people have it. And the bands, the wristbands, are usually really expensive from Apple, from what I understand. She got a package from Amazon. I think you get like 10 different bands, all colors, for like very cheap. So if you're interested in that, I'll link it below as well, because she loves it, girl. She changed her band every time she changed her outfit. They're high quality. They don't like stain or look a mess or anything. So Definitely check all of that out, girl. It'll be listed below. And yeah, I appreciate you guys watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up. The thumbs up helps me. The subscriptions helps me. The comments helps me. It lets me know that you guys are enjoying all of my content. And I love you guys. Thank you for always joining me and hanging out with me. And yeah, I'll see you on my next video. Peace.